Amie, I do Disney and other travel vlogs, and we are currently in Disney World, Florida. We're inside the DVC lounge in Disney Springs. So you go into the DVC centre and then you have to ask to come up to the lounge and they'll bring you up. This is what the lounge looks like. So you see there's a Coke freestyle machine over here, some snacks, and then there's a lot of seating area. They also have a 2-bed lock-off Riviera room. So when you go through the door, this is what the 1-bed studio would be like. So this is where the lock-off door would be. You have a place for you to put your clothes, and then you have a bathroom. You have a split bathroom, so you have a shower with a seat, rainfall shower head, normal shower head. That's quite a big shower. This is a Riviera studio. You've got your toilet, sorry. You can go through. You've got these barn style doors here and here, so you can separate it. So if somebody's having a shower, for example, or on the toilet, there can be somebody in here. There would be a shower. There would be a shower curtain across here as well, but that's not in this. So you've got a shower head. This is pretty similar to what we've got in Saratoga. And we just have the toilet as well. But there's no, the lock off is for the sink, the toilet and the shower are together. So, hi, by the way. You get some storage space, hair dryer, and then you've got the little kitchen area with the little fridge. It's a proper fridge, sorry, not a drinks fridge. You've got some coffee, microwave, and then there's a toaster in there. And some like cups and bowls, etc. Proper crockery as well, unlike what we've got at Saratoga. And then your usual bits, your bins under there. There's a big mirror here, and then you've got your television, and you've got your 2 beds. So this bed is your queen bed. The drawers actually work. They do, amazing. And you've got room for luggage underneath. You've got 3 drawers. This is the sofa, so this bed will go up. That's a table, it's got some drawers. That's actually quite good, that's low enough to fit under the bed. The one in Saratoga doesn't, but it does lift up, so we're using it as a table. You do have a little table in here. And then you've got your balcony. And I'm guessing this isn't true to life with what plug sockets, etc. you'd have, because it's a mock studio. So this is a bed as well, so it would sleep 5 people. Okay, and then you've got a little mural under there. There's a light switch, and there are some plug sockets and things up here as well. So studio sleeps 5. So in the lock off, if you then have the 1 bed next to it, you would come in through this door if you were in the 1 bed, or you've got the adjoining door. So you come in and you've got this bit on the right hand side, and you go straight into the kitchen. So you've got a full size, there's a freezer and a full size fridge. Nice. You've got a full size hob, an oven, microwave, and the cupboards will all have crockery and cooking utensils and things for you to actually properly cook, etc. You've got a big sink. That's a nice sink. Oops. And a coffee machine. You get a dishwasher. I'm guessing this is the bin. Yep, little bin. And ice. There would probably be shelves in that for you in real life. And then you've got a seating area. So seating maybe 5 or 6 people, you could get around that. You could probably pull the stool over and have somebody on the end as well. And in here, you've got the television. Again, you have another single bed. Oh, nearly pull the handle off. And there's the Riviera thing. There would probably be some sockets along the back as well in real life. And then you've got these little ottomans do have storage in them. So if you need to shove things in them, and this table does have storage. They've got some bedding stuff in here. And this is a double bed. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Ooh, gosh. That came down faster than I was expecting. Now you've got the double bed. with the Peter Pan. That's cute. Okay, I won't destroy the place. Let's push it back up. Oh, so I'm doing that one-handed whilst holding the camera. It's not difficult to do at all, really. And you've got these little tables. These do move. You can move them around. They're probably quite handy. These little corner things, when you've got the bed down, these serve as like little bedside tables. Actually, that's quite cool. And you'd have, obviously, a view out over the Riviera. And then you have a door to the balcony. If we go into the bedroom, remember this is a one bed on its own. And there's a studio lock off, so it makes it a two bed. And then you've got a big queen size bed, I think. No, that's got to be a king size bed rather than a queen size. Got a TV, big storage unit. Again, you'd probably have some sockets. And your balcony. I love how they did the balcony. They should put some lights up here and then it would mimic the sunshine. But you get a chair, a little bedside table with a lamp. I'm guessing you would have some form of USB sockets, etc. as well. A little writing desk. There's a little storage closet in here. Barn style doors into the bathroom. So in the bathroom you've got this big sink, bathroom area with drawers. Okay, oh, look at all the Disney products are hiding. And you've got some sockets, one of those magnifying mirrors, nice big mirror. Look at the chandelier thing, that's very pretty. And this massive bath. Now it's not a jacuzzi bath, it's not got to have air bubbles or anything like that. It's just a big bath. Eli was wowed by the big bath. It does look very cool. And if you're having a long park day, you could just come and soak in here. Have they got television in the mirror? I don't think they have. That would make it, you know, the best. You could probably put your iPad up on the corner if you wanted to just sit and watch or read, you know, whatever takes your fancy. And then into the bathroom bit. Now this is obviously a split bathroom as well. So you know, if there were two families staying or what, you know, grown-up children, etc., parents, you know, you could shut this off and shut this part off at night so that if people wanted to use the bathroom, they could come in through this door here, which is in the hallway. And then you've got a nice big shower in here as well. It's a big shower head, shower, bench seat. It's similar to the one that's in the resort studio. Toilet, single sink, big storage space for some stuff. Remember, you've got a sink in here as well. So actually, there are two sinks in here if you just had the one bed. If you had the lock off as well, obviously that would be three sinks. And then you're out into the hallway. Ooh, obviously this isn't real life, so things stick and things like that. And you've got a washer dryer and a washing basket. Ooh, it's a bit clunky. On the other side, you have got a wardrobe, and there's a steam iron up there as well if you need to, and an ironing board and stuff. Safe is in that one as well. And then you've got this little hallway area. So if it was a lock off, this would be closed, and you would just have this space, and that would be closed off. You've got some hooks and things, little things to put your stuff on, etc. Likewise, if you were just in the studio, this door would be closed. And then again, you've got some hooks and things. I really like it. I really like, this is the Riviera one, so this is the decor that's in the Riviera. It's nice. It's really nice. I like the big shower and the big tub, obviously. That's a winner. But having the extra space, like the living area space, you wouldn't have to put the beds up to be able to, you know, sit and eat and stuff like that, which makes a big difference, I think. And you've got a big fridge and proper cooking facilities, so you wouldn't have to eat out all the time. Which, you know, some people want to. If you don't want to cook on holiday, absolutely fine. But some people would like to have, you know, some things in their rooms. So yeah, this is the lock-off in the DVC lounge at Disney Springs. So end of the day. Been to watch the drone show, been to Disney Springs, went to golf, went to Hollywood Studios. Done a lot of things today. We've had a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching if you've got this far. Make sure you like, subscribe for all the good stuff. And we will see you tomorrow for more adventures.